Little micro bait. Got him already on a little piece of wood. We're gonna trim him down. So the idea for this came from Workbench Baits, who kind of is on the same journey that I am in learning to make baits, kind of getting hooked on making baits here. And he had this design that you're seeing here to basically make a micro glide bait. So I decided I want to make that. He made two. He made one for him and his son, and they tested on nearby lake, and it worked great. So this was my first attempt. I actually think I made it a little thin. I had a lot of trouble centering the weights in here, and the weight on the tail section is actually through the side, and it kind of makes for an odd swimming motion. It doesn't seem to inhibit it too badly, but I think it could be more even, a little better if everything were in the bottom and more situated at the bottom. This part has taken embarrassingly long, but there we currently are. And what I'm finding is that the air gun will clog with very little effort to make it clog. It will straight up just not work. If I add the wrong thing or I use the wrong paint, I have got this kind of budget. So Master Airbrush Cool Runner is the brand, and I have some Createx paint, but it really needs to be thin. It wants to be thinned a whole lot. It's been a chore. I spent a lot more time cleaning the thing than I do enjoying it. So what I'm going to try to do now is cut out some fin pattern or a gill pattern. I don't know. Try it. Continually forget to turn on the camera while I'm doing this. So I did a little lateral line on the other side here, and darkened a little bit of the top. So next, I think, is eyes and a clear coat. Yeah, mainly the goal today is to just see if this lure will fish the way that we thought it might. Brought more than I actually ever needed. I always wonder if the tag end really bothers anything with any of the fish, you know what I mean? There's some ducks over there. Saw one land right as we arrived. Fish on! It's official! Woo!
It's a smallmouth bass. My first fish on my first hard bait. Look at that. Nice to meet you.
Oh my God!
Well, that probably hurt a bit. All right. Be free. Nice. Thank you, God.